How's it going, everyone? Mark from Brickheads Nation. Today I want to discuss LEGO's Black Friday deals, or lack thereof. I'm sorry to say it. Maybe I've just gotten a little picky, or maybe I expected too much. But LEGO's Black Friday deals of maybe 20%, I don't know, they're just not that great. And even the sets selected, I couldn't care less about. Now they do continue the free Charles Dickens promotional set if you spend $150 or more, and a free Chariot if you buy a $550 set, a Coliseum, which I have to say, to me, as a promotional item for almost a $600 set, is a little underwhelming, or a lot. But back to the 20% offer. I mean, last year's deals, they had specific sets that were 30% off. That's what I was expecting on a year that probably LEGO has made more money than ever. 20% off? I don't know, I was quite disappointed. And that's why I always try to find the best deals, Amazon, Target, Walmart. And if I am shopping online, that's why I always stress you guys to use cashback offers. Sometimes LEGO's just want to give you 20% off, but hey, you can use Rakuten, anywhere from 2.5% to 10% cash back on your full purchase. If you're new, you spend $40, you get $40 back. That makes it a better promotion if you're shopping at LEGO. And again, if you are still interested in that, I do have the links in the description below of how to sign up. That does help support the channel if you do use that referral link. But back to Black Friday. So what are some of the sets that LEGO has determined to give 20% off? We have the LEGO Star Wars Tandem for, usually it's $199, you get it for $159. That's been on, I believe, Target, Walmart, and Amazon. Steamboat Willie, you get 20% off, so it's not $89, it's now $71.99. And also the brick sketches, I believe those were already 20% off. BB-8, Stormtrooper, Batman, I thought those were already on discount. Let me know in the comments below if I was wrong about that. I mean, you do get some of the Brickheads, so if you guys are looking for Brickheads, you have Donald Duck, the Easter Sheep, Frankenstein, which is one of my favorites, and Monkey King, as well as Goofy and Pluto. You get those for 20% off, but that's definitely not, it doesn't feel like a Black Friday special. Action Battle, Echo Base, Defense, Lighthouse Rescue Center, Dolphin Rescue Mission. I mean, I don't know, I'm scrolling through here and it's just underwhelming to me, And like I was saying before, on a year where LEGO has probably made the most money in I don't know how long, these deals just seem so mediocre. Like I was saying, I was underwhelmed online, so I decided to go to the LEGO store today and pick up the Roman Coliseum versus having it shipped. And actually I have to say I had a great experience at the store and I got a cool LEGO bag. Take a look. See that? They made a specific bag to actually put the Roman Coliseum in because they didn't have a bag that would fit. And if you go to the LEGO store, they actually give you these. I mean, I'm excited for the bag almost way more than I am for the promo set. But it's still in the box, as you can see in the brown box and the shipping box. So I haven't opened that yet. I will be doing a speed build on this. And I want to thank the people that actually helped support me and they sent me money just to buy this. Thank you so much for donating. I will be putting the names on now. And as a bonus, again, of course they were giving away the Christmas tree poly bag, or should I just say the holiday tree. Set number is 30576. I think it's 70 pieces. 70 pieces. I don't know. This is a cool little Christmas gift. Goes well with Charles Dickens. Now there are some more promotions they were having with the VIP points. You could sign up if you're a VIP member for the great million point giveaway, which is like over $7,000 worth of free LEGO. I mean, sign up for that. They also had LEGO Originals wooden minifigure for 9,000 points, which is almost about like 50% off. You also have get $5 off your next purchase in the LEGO store or lego.com, which is half the price what they usually are, so that saves 50% off your purchase. I would say definitely go over to the VIP section if you are, and redeem those in-store and online. Now, there were rumors that they were going to do some major VIP 50% discount on items, and again, I was underwhelmed. I thought there would be more sets that they were going to be giving, like special VIP sets that are hard to find, or old promo sets. None of that. I would have to say this Black Friday doesn't feel special at all, and feels rushed and almost just kind of like thrown together. I hope you try harder next time, LEGO. Tell me what you think in the comments below of these Black Friday deals for LEGO. Do you think they're okay, satisfactory, or total bust? Another negative drawback is their inventory is still low, and I understand everything that's going on with the supply chain issues, but I don't know, they had months to prepare for this. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for all the latest LEGO news and deals.